Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Robert. Today we're going to be discussing four-way switches and how they work. So let's go ahead and jump right into this video here. First of all, what we're going to do is we're going to talk about how this four-way switch works. So if you notice right off the bat, we have two black terminals, which I like to consider commons most of the time. If you see a three-way switch with a black screw, that's our common screw, and these are usually our switch leg screws here. So so how does a four-way switch work? So a four-way switch usually goes in between in a sliding circuit in between two three-ways. So you can have two three-ways and have four ways in between those three ways. So basically you have your travelers coming in from the three-way. You have a red and you have a black traveler, 14-3 coming in. And then you'll have a red and you'll have a black traveler, 14-3 going out to the other three-way box or the other device box with a three-way switch. So how the four-way works is pretty interesting. I got a meter here, we'll show you. In the down position, it's like a crisscross, like an X. So in this position, this common black screw and this gold screw will have continuity. It'll pass voltage across this way. Whereas if you had the black wire on this black terminal and the other wire on this gold terminal going to the other three-way, and this side was switched from the previous box or the previous switch, then we would pass voltage this way. So let's grab our meter real quick here. We'll put it on continuity. Turn the back light on so you guys might be able to see that a little better. Now, if you notice, if I take this lead and I put it to the copper back part of that terminal screw, I guess you guys can see that, and I touch this and together, we have continuity. Now, if I flip this switch up, what happens? It opens. Vice versa, if I move this lead over to this side here and go to this one, we got continuity. Flip the switch up, it breaks. Now, so that's the crisscross pattern, or the X pattern, whatever you want to call that. Now, what happens when we flip the switch up? Does it open all the terminals? Check this out. So when you flip the switch up, just lay this on its side. So now I'm still doing the X crisscross shape. We're doing side to side here. Closed. You flip the switch back down, it goes back into that crisscross pattern. See, now this opened. Flip it back up. All right, how about the other side? Let's flip it over. Leave it in the up position. Flip it over. It's closed. So that's how a four-way switch works. In the down position, you go from this black common screw to this gold screw. Then you go from this black common screw to this gold screw. Now when you flip the switch up, it don't crisscross. It goes from here to here or from here to here. That's how you can get two three-ways at the beginning and at the end of the circuit and have 2 and 3, 4, ever how many four-ways you want in between. But anyway, the three-way switches and the four-way switches don't have the on and off on the lever here, on the knob. There's no on off because really this could be on or this could be off depending on the other switches in the circuit. So this is a four-way switch and this is a three-way switch. Now I already have a video on three-ways, but just to, if some of y'all watching this video want to know how this switch works, here's your black common screw. Here's your two gold screws, which is considered your travelers. In this position here, you're closed diagonally. Let's go ahead and check that just to make sure I ain't telling you guys wrong. So we're closed in the down position. The three-way switch is closed from the common screw to this gold screw here. And then when you flip this switch up, you close from the gold or the black common screw to this gold screw. So imagine my finger is a contact that would be straight up and down to close these two terminals. And I flip that down, then my finger, the contact moves over to this side. So there you go. I hope this video helps somebody. Drop a comment below if it does. Let me know what you think. If you like what you see, if you like the content, do me a favor. Hit that like button. Subscribe if you ain't already subscribed. I really would appreciate it. Really helps the channel out. Keeps you guys notified on new content. Look forward to a video coming up here and maybe this week or next Monday. I usually try to put a video out once a week on we're going to be wiring up the 4-way and 2 3-ways to a light fixture, and then we're going to be getting into, maybe I think this will be part 4 after this one coming up, of doing some receptacles, maybe a light switch with a receptacle on a circuit. We're going to do what's called a half hot receptacle. So we got a lot of content that will help a lot of you guys out, including myself. I enjoy doing this. So guys, until next time, be safe. We'll catch you later.